This is Rowan Matthew C. Franco. This is Rowan Frank's channel. We're going to Third's house. Let's see if they're not there. Where's the gate? Good. Let's just stay there. Yeah, I'll look for Third. Let's zoom in on my face. Let's look for Third. That's just a minute. Dito po si Third. Wait a minute, guys. Didn't hear that.
Wala pa sa school.
Ayan po.
Sa school, si Third.
4 pa siya?
Pasok.
4 pa siya dadating?
Wala kayong pasok.
Wala po.
Nasa school.
Parents orientation pa po.
Mamaya pang 4 o'clock na ba?
Is it night? No, it's still morning. So we're just making a video, guys. So please subscribe. We're playing with Third. And he's at school right now. So in 4 we'll play. Okay. I'm just gonna make a whole video of this. Okay. Now will work. Okay, I'm just doing Gen 7. Okay. Just gonna pre. Water in the flame, water in the flame. Okay. We'll stay here. We were making a tour of our house right now. Yeah. What? I'll just make a tour. I'll come out from there. This is our house. Hey, Joe.
Oo, magkahiwalay siya. Talagang magkahiwalay siya. Magkaganon talaga. MW siya, TPH.
Here is Rocky.
Babalik yung ano. Kasi matagal din po yung
Ay,
chess
Rocky,
yan.
come here.
Pareho din siguro yan. 2 to 4 din yan. Kasi tuturuan sila ng mga technique.
Rian, what do you have? Chess? Oh, basketball Rian.
Basketball.
Ay, hindi ka pala 20.
Okay. This is our full time. And bye! Subscribe, like, and please leave a comment for the real random scenario and say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Okay. See you soon, babies. Please subscribe.
Peace out and peace out.
Subscribe, like.